Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean old coins easily. This will be a super straightforward tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see here, I have some coins. They're not very old and they're not very dirty, but I've used this method with super dirty coins before and it works really, really well. But these are the coins that I had in my pocket, so I just figured that I would use these for this video tutorial. What you want to do is you want to make a very simple solution that uses 2 ingredients, okay? Now, I'll tell you what the ingredients are and what the proportions are, and then you can figure out how to make your own, okay? So the proportions and the ingredients are as follows. You want to use 1 cup of lemon juice, and you want to combine it with 1 tablespoon of salt, and then just use a spoon to mix it together. So what I've done is I've taken those measurements of 1 cup of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of salt, and I've scaled them down because I only need this much liquid. So you can take those measurements and proportionately scale them down as well, just like I did right here. Okay, now in addition, you can substitute the lemon juice for vinegar because they have the same sort of acidity effect on the coins. So instead of using the lemon juice, you can substitute it for vinegar instead. So always keep that in mind. Now, once you've created your solution and stirred it, make sure you mix it together, or else the salt will likely just settle at the bottom. So you want to make sure you stir it together with a spoon like I already did. I'm just going to sort of swirl it around to make sure everything's nice and mixed up right there. Like I said, this is lemon juice and salt, and I've scaled the proportions down. Okay, now I'm going to take my coins, and you can take any coins and as many as you can fit in your mixture. Okay, I would recommend using a flatter type of pen because then you can fit more coins in there. But you're going to take your coins and you're going to place them in the mixture. And I'm going to go like this because I don't want to damage the glass. So I'm just going to put it on an angle. I don't want to drop the coins directly in the glass and risk cracking the glass or anything like that. And you're going to leave them in there for 15 minutes. That's it, 15 minutes. When the 15 minutes are up, you can get rid of the solution, you can get your coins out, and they will be clean, okay? Now, if they're still not clean enough to your liking, what you can do is create another solution and do it again. After 15 minutes, the solution that you're using will pretty much be used up in terms of it will have taken off all of the dirt and grime that it can, and that dirt and grime will be in the solution. So if you aren't satisfied with the way that your coins came out, then you can try it again with a new solution. So make sure you judge your level of whether or not you're happy with the result, and if you're not happy enough, you can do it again, but make sure you're using a new solution that you've created. That's it. So I'm not going to make you wait 15 minutes, but in 15 minutes, those coins, when I take them out, will be as clean as they can be. They're already pretty clean, but they will be super, super clean. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.